A pleasure to meet all at last, and welcome back once again to HGN Season 4, where it's time for me to start talking a bit about other things related to nature. Unlike with some of the other things, though, that truly accompany our actual natural lives, this right here is an element that is normally outside of our own reach. Space. Yep, for number 2566, that's exactly what we'll be focusing on. And I will say that while space is something that's not seen as much of a natural occurrence, it actually is more natural than we realize. We might be living on a planet that does allow life to flourish quite well, but it's the whole area that runs outside the planet that truly does have its own way of occupying our everyday nature. And space itself is truly a good way to not only excel at the fact that nature is mainly possible in this planet because this planet happens to be in a certain realm of existence, but it's also the fact that this realm of existence is also the same realm of existence in which other planets, stars, and other things are indeed made possible. Space is not only something that has occupied planets and stars and many other things, but we do have asteroid belts. We do have galaxies. We do have ourselves an entire universe full of different things. We have all kinds of things that we just have yet to truly figure out. And there's always that chance that someday technology will truly be as big as you could possibly imagine. And we'll be exploring all the way out to the end of the universe. Every possible galaxy we have yet to come across, Hyperglac, Andromeda, and many others. There's always the chance that we could come across something that we have never seen before. And there's always the chance that even though we're in the comfort of the ground itself on this planet Earth, a telescope could only see so far. There's always a chance that certain other planets may be visible in the distance. There's always the chance that there is even the supposed sounds that they generate in the universe. I mean, think about it. The sounds of planets and the atmospheres that they carry, regardless of whether they're terrestrial, gas giant, or even just straight up giant stars, much like the sun itself, it still is important to know. Space is always going to occupy something different. Something we've never seen before. Something that we have truly yet to discover, to accommodate, to comprehend beyond our own true beliefs, our own knowledge, and our own superstition in life. We always have the occupation, the obligation, and the determination to discover more and learn more about our own universe itself. Time and space aside, there's always a reason to figure out what could be out there. There's always the time that whether you're a believer or not, something could turn out differently than what you were expecting. And what's more is that there's always the chance we're bound to see something else way out there. Those stars could even be other planets. They could be other places for us to colonize, provided that we are ready and we have the resources necessary to do so. But most importantly, it goes without saying, space is the major harbinger of whatever life could possibly exist, even billions of years to this very day. We'll always have a lot of time on our hands. Some might think otherwise, though, due to certain discoveries. You ever heard of the asteroid Apophis? That's going to be a few years from now. And supposedly, it'll be very destructive if it comes into contact with Earth. So we had better hope that it doesn't. Anyways, I feel like that 2 more of these should probably do the trick, and as a means of closing off 2024 for good this time. I will say that until then, make sure to stay tuned for more of this stuff. And of course, like, subscribe, comment, follow me wherever you can find me, and stay on the Hollywood side.